Stop trying to build wealth by just skipping your morning coffee and hoarding pennies in a savings account. The top 1% actually spend cash aggressively, but only when it guarantees they are buying back their own time. You know the feeling. You are young, ambitious, and grinding at a job that pays bills, yet you feel stuck in a cycle of working just...
That video you watched was created using a single prompt and using one of Google's most powerful AI tools. Yes, I call it most powerful because NotebookLM is what I'll call Google's AI research assistant. And to access it, just go to your browser and then you search NotebookLM. Then you sign up. You sign up with your Google account, then you can make use of it. I have not done an extensive tutorial on NotebookLM on this channel before, so I might as well kill two birds with one stone. I'm going to introduce you to what NotebookLM is and also would explore the possibilities of NotebookLM, and you'd be able to see how I was able to create that video you watched using NotebookLM. So once you sign up, you would see this interface, right, that asks you to try NotebookLM. So you just click on try NotebookLM, and then it takes you to another interface. This is it. So if you have notebooks, if you've created things in the past, you would see it. Like in my case, these are the notebooks I've created on this particular account. So you're going to see it. And if you want to start with a new creation, all you have to do is click on create notebook, and then NotebookLM would begin its work. Now you might be asking, what exactly makes NotebookLM so special? See, one beautiful thing about NotebookLM is the fact that you can upload your ideas and it's going to turn those ideas for you into content. For example, we can upload files. Let's say we've got files, we've got documents in our folder or in our computer. We can upload them into NotebookLM and it's going to work based on that information that we've given to it. Or we can get websites. Let's say this is a historical documentary channel. I can just copy the link of this particular channel, copy this, then I would come back to NotebookLM. Okay, let me close this tab. I'll come back here and then I can paste this link. Or if you have something in your drive, you can still work with that. Or if there's an extensive text you want to work with, you can also copy your text and then work with it. So once you give NotebookLM all this info, and note, you don't have to stick to just one link. You can paste as many links as you want. You can paste up to 10, 20 different links into NotebookLM. And in my case, if I'm trying to do something extensive, I try to get information from different sources. Then I add it into NotebookLM. And the beautiful thing about it is it has zero hallucinations. You know how you sometimes talk to ChatGPT and then ChatGPT would just begin to hallucinate and then give you things that do not exist. NotebookLM does not do that. It doesn't, because it is grounded. It will cite the exact page and the exact source for every answer that you give to it. So if you're a student, if you're a researcher trying to get accurate information, I highly recommend NotebookLM. Now let me show you something I did. I did a video tutorial on how you can master Google Vids. In case you've not watched it, then you should check it out on my YouTube channel. I did a video tutorial on how you can master Google Vids, which is this. So I copied this particular link and then I fed it to NotebookLM. I told NotebookLM to just give me, let me show you. So I copied the prompts, I copied the link rather, and then I give it to NotebookLM. And you can see NotebookLM summarized it. The provided transcript introduces Google Vids and AI-driven, all of that. I wanted to create a video from this. So I asked it to create a video in stickman animation style. And that's exactly this video we have here. Let me play the video for you to see. So this is the video.
There's a massive AI video studio hiding in plain sight right inside your Google workspace. Your script and the AI perfectly lip syncs their speech. Finally, text to music generation. You can stop hunting for decent stock audio. Just type a mood, like peaceful wellness vibe, and the integrated AI model composes a custom royalty-free backing track instantly. By merging video generation, custom actors, and bespoke music into one tab.
Isn't this amazing? So if you want to even try it in different animation styles, you want to do 3D Pixar, you want to do claymation style, you can use any of those styles in NotebookLM. But I know somebody might be asking, is this monetizable? Well, I cannot give you that 100% confidence that it's monetizable. But one thing I use NotebookLM for mostly is I use it to explain complex tutorials. If I'm having classes and I just need to create something ASAP, I use NotebookLM to create it, and it just does the magic. So that's exactly how you can. That's one of the things you can use NotebookLM for. So let's say we want to create something historical. I'm just going to paste this particular link I copied from YouTube. It's a historical channel, and I'm going to click on this enter. So NotebookLM is going to summarize what I just pasted. Foundations of Global Civilizations, from atoms to Alexander. This is it. This is it. So I want to try out something. I want to create a cinematic video on this using this particular style. I have a prompt I created from Gemini earlier. So I'm just going to go to Gemini and then copy the prompt. So I've copied my prompt right from Gemini, and then I'm going to now tell NotebookLM that I want to create a historical video based on this style using the story I just shared with you. So I'm going to say, using this story style, I need to create a historical video for this. So I'm just going to paste this. And then you now come here. You see this part where you see video. You select, give me a moment. Let me copy this. You select video. Now you see you have different options. You have cinematic. Cinematic is what gave us that video you saw from the beginning. You can do an explainer video. And if you want to create shorts, like I just showed you earlier, this is where you create your shorts. And now it would ask you, okay, what should the video focus on? You can just select your topics, or you can just describe your own. So I'm just going to describe mine, and I'm going to click on generate, and NotebookLM would begin to generate the content. But one thing I need to tell you is the fact that this takes a lot of time. This might take about 7 to 10 minutes. So I'm just going to pause this recording and then come back when this is done. It really takes a lot of time. But before I return, make sure you've liked this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much. That's the least you can do to appreciate me, right? So finally, we've gotten our video, and this took like 10 to 12 minutes to create. So let me just play it.
For thousands of years, humans have told themselves a very specific story. We believe if we build our walls high enough and write our laws strictly enough, we can tame the unpredictable chaos of the natural world. It started when we stopped chasing our food. In ancient Mesopotamia, humans figured out how to cultivate cereal grains like wheat and barley. Instead of surviving at the mercy of the environment, we engineered our own.
And it's 6 minutes long. So this can actually work for top-notch historical channel. The only thing is we are just seeing
food source.
We are just seeing images, not videos yet. But like I said earlier, if you want to download it, click on this, and then it's going to download the video. So like I said earlier, I don't think you can monetize this on YouTube yet. So for those of you that would want to create something like this on YouTube, I don't think it is monetizable yet. And you know how YouTube has been recently with AI generated content and the low effort tag they add to it. But you can use this for explainer videos, and you can try creating the shorts on your Facebook and even TikTok. Let's view it completely first.
For thousands of years, humans have told themselves a very specific indigenous populations had no acquired immunity. The diseases spread rapidly, eradicating massive portions of the population long before the experienced the Renaissance due process. Over time, we've achieved a permanent victory over nature, and our grandest machines have always eventually broken. A civilization itself is the continuous act of piecing the world back together, constantly engineering a more resilient order against the awesome chaos of the universe.
But if I were to edit something like this, right? You know how YouTube complains of low effort? Then I'll take it over to CapCut and I would impute captions. If I want to even make it outstanding, I could change the lady's voice. I could add some effects to the voice to make it sound different. Because one thing I've noticed is the voices tend to come out the same, except you are imputing an extensive prompt to tell it to give you a particular kind of voice. So I can work on all of that. Just take it to CapCut, add captions, and change the voice, and then I'll try, since it doesn't really require so much effort in code, I could try creating about, let's say, 10 to 20 videos of this. Just create a historical channel on it, 10 to 20 videos, and just post it consistently on YouTube. Let me take that risk. I think I should try that out. What do you think? Don't you think we should try it out? Okay, I think I'm going to take the risk. I'm going to create long videos, and then
That's the arrival of the bubonic.
I'm going to create long videos, and then I'm going to create a historical channel on this. Then just change the voice, add captions, and let me see what 10 to 20 videos can do. Let's see what 10 to 20 videos can do. So if this really helped you, please click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, because I leave a lot of helpful tips here. And feel free to check out the other videos on my channel. Trust me, you would find gems in there. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.